So this is the Mavic Mini clone. Let's check it out. Four prop guards, 2 spare propellers, USB cable charger, 1 Phillips screwdriver, and 1 user manual. What's up everybody? Welcome to Drone Mania. So this, my friends, is the controller for the Mavic Mini clone, aka E88. First off, let's do with the back. It takes 3 AA batteries, my friends. And now the front, these are the buttons as so. Starting with the top left corner, long press, you receive a return to home. Short press, you are with the headless mode, or you enter headless mode. And the top button right here is a null button, useless. Then you have here the left throttle, and then right here you have the takeoff, and then the bottom one here you have the landing. Here is the power button. This is the trims as well, up, down, and the right. Here's the left, remember. And then here you have 2 buttons that are working. The one right here, the top right corner. The first one is long pressing. You receive the emergency stop, which means everything powers off and it just drops from the sky. It's a good feature to have to not get stuck in trees. I always say that. The second button of the top right corner is also your 360 flips. Short press along with a direction that you choose from, or from your choosing, and it does a flip. And then here the last button is the speed mode according to the controller. According to the manual, it has 3 rates, 1, 2, and 3, which third makes it a lot more faster. And then you have the antenna. As you can see right here is the antenna. I don't know how well, I don't even really think that's a working antenna. I think it's just a piece of plastic they put for cosmetic style. That's pretty much it for the control, my friends. Let's jump to the drone. Here is the drone, my friends. Very, very nice looking drone. It really resembles the Mavic Mini. Off the bat, it's an extremely light drone, my friends. It just will blow your minds on how light this thing weighs and feels in the hand. And it's no bigger than a cell phone or like the palm of your hand. As you can see, look at that. If it was like all closed up like so, like in my palm of my hand. It's a very small drone, very lightweight, and it's pretty cool. Let's check out the battery right here. So this is the battery. According to what it says in the manual, it's a 600 milliamp battery, 3.7 volt. Now this battery gives you between 10 to 12 minutes, that's what's written in the manual, as well a charging time of 60 minutes, my friends. So from the ratio from 60 minutes and you receive 10-12 minutes, I think that is pretty good. It's not such a bad deal. Pretty damn good. Here you have the power button, and it is a 4K camera. You can purchase it at a 720, 1080, and 4K. So I purchased the 4K. So I'm going to test it out in the near future to see how well the camera is. Right now, my friends, we're going to dive right into it now and see how it flies and see how it responds. A more updated video will come. So remember, my friends, to be subscribed to the channel so you will be able to witness and see the future video of this drone mini, aka the E88. So let's get into the flight, my friends. Okay guys, we're ready to take off. Let's do the takeoff button. Wow. This is on first rate, my friends. So it's not that fast, but it sure is a beautiful flyer. Beautiful. Okay, this is full back. Full forward on rate 1. There is maybe a second delay for stopping it after switching between forward and back of movement. Let's move to rate 2 speed. So now it's on rate 2. Let's do full forward. That's full forward. This is full back. There's a delay when trying to stop, but it seems okay. Beautiful. Now let's do rate 3, my friends. This is rate 3. Yeah, a lot faster, not that much more faster. Well, it is. Between 1 and 3, there's a big difference you can see of the speed. I really wonder how this will do outdoor flight, which again, I'll remind you, my friend, oh my God, look at it. Its spin like that is really fast. That is really good. That's good to know, and it looks cool. But anyways, what I was saying, I want to see how this will do outdoors. So it's a reminder for you people to subscribe to the channel if you're interested and you like the video and want to see an outdoor flight of this drone mini. Pretty cool. Let's try a flip. A flip is short press. Very nice flip, really tucked in, no lag, no drop downs, nothing. Let's do it again. Okay, I pressed a little too long and that was the emergency stop. So it's good. We both witnessed it at the same time. I just wish I didn't do it from such a height. So, okay, I understand how it is. Let's take it in the air again. Everything seems perfect. And that is the most important thing. Let's do again. So you do have to hold it for like... Wrong button. Okay, rate 3. There it is. So it's not even a short press like it says in the manual. It's just a press and then a flip right away. Very, very nice tucked in flips. I really, really like it. Let's try a forward flip. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, my friends. Let's try a back one. Amazing. Very nice. Very, very nice. And remember, guys, I have supposedly 10 to 12 minute flight with this drone. So it is a badass. It's really cool. Look at it. Beautiful. It reminds me so much of the Mavic Mini, but just like a fraction of the cost. This drone, if I'm not mistaken, about $30, $38, give or take. I'll leave it in the description down below if you are interested in purchasing this drone, my friends. I'll leave that option down for you guys. Very fun drone, very, very fun. I actually am enjoying it. This is actually as well my first foldable drone. So I'm actually kind of quite excited about it because I've never had a foldable drone like this. So it's fun to know. I love how it turns so fast. It's amazing. Beautiful. What a great flyer. Let's see its stability. It's hovering stability, how it is. So now I'm not touching the controller, my friends. And there's a tiny little drift, not so bad. Always can trim it out, but it's not that crazy. Let's just fix it. Beautiful, look at it now. Not bad at all, not bad at all. It does have cameras on the bottom, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, there it is, a little camera right there, my friends. Hopefully it was in the angle so you guys can see it. Hopefully it was in the shot so you guys can see it. Oh, some flashing is happening. So that means the battery is probably gonna die pretty soon. We'll fly till it drops. I'm still overblown by its weight. It's so weightless, it feels like a feather, people, I'm telling you. It's so lightweight, and there it is, it just died out, my friends. That was pretty much it. I wonder if it was really 10 minutes actually, to be honest, but we'll see in time. So my friends, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Now you got to see this cool drone mini, the clone of the Mavic Mini. That's it, my friends. Here it is in all its glory. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, my friends. Remember, till next time, be safe, take care, have fun, and peace out, people. Bam!